Hello, welcome to Speculate. Today I'm going to show you how to install Raspbian on Raspberry Pi. For this we have to first install the Raspbian file, that means noobs. If you install noobs, then the install will be a lot more easy. And also the link is, I have provided the link in the description below. Here's the noobs, and we'll now click on it and download it. There are two options available: download torrent or download zip. I'll click on download zip, and the zip file will be downloaded. The file is downloaded, and now we will format our memory card, or we want to install the Raspbian. Here is my memory card named recovery. I've inserted it in my laptop, and we have to now format it. Right click on it, then click to format. And one thing we should know that we have to format in FAT file system. After selecting FAT, then start the format and click OK. Format is complete. Now we will extract the downloaded files to this memory card that we downloaded earlier. I'll extract the downloaded file, that means noobs file, into my memory card, which was named recovery as I shown earlier. I select my memory card and extract the whole downloaded file, zip file, to that memory card. We have to wait until it's 100%. We're nearly about to finish this process. The process is finished. So we can now check whether the files are in the memory card or not. Here you can see the files in this memory card. So all the files I have downloaded are perfectly extracted in this memory card, and our memory card is ready to install Raspbian. We'll now insert the memory card into our Raspberry Pi. Here's my Raspberry Pi, and this is my memory card. And my Raspberry Pi model is Pi 3 Model B. I'm now inserting my memory card into the Raspberry Pi. And now we have to connect it to the monitor through this converter. I will connect my Raspberry Pi with monitor by using this converter. Here I connecting my monitor with this converter. This converter is called HDMI to VGA converter. Through this you can connect your monitor easily with Raspberry Pi. Here we have to put the power of Raspberry Pi. I have connected my keyboard mouse with Raspberry Pi and USB adapter also to connect my Raspberry Pi with Wi-Fi. I'm now connecting the power into Raspberry Pi. Here you can see a light is blinking, so my Raspberry Pi is on, and we can now see our monitor for the rest of our installation. Here, the Raspberry Pi is on. And we have to select the Raspbian to install Raspbian on this memory card. Here are two options, but we'll select the Raspbian and click on install. And click yes. Okay, our Raspbian installation is started, and we have to wait till it's 100%. Then our installation will be ready. We are almost at 100%, so our installation is almost complete. Now our installation is complete fully, and click on OK. It will restart. So our installation is totally complete. If you have any question, please say it in comments and share the videos if you find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all.